Creamy pesto chicken, obviously it's an incredibly delicious dish, but I love this one because it can make a very, very quick mid-week meal by having your green pesto ready to go in the freezer, which is what I've done today. Saute that for 5 minutes. And in the meantime, we're gonna prep our chicken. So you wanna cut your chicken into medium-sized pieces. It's approximately 1.5 to 2 centimeters cubed. We are using chicken thigh for this recipe, but if you want to use breast, you can do that as well. We teach you how to do it in the recipe. Now that we've done that sauteing, we're just going to add most of our remaining ingredients in. Give it a really good stir and a final cook. Now that our chicken is finished cooking, we're going to serve it up. One of the things that I find so impressive about this dish is just how many different ways you can serve it and keep reinventing it. You can serve it with silky sweet mashed potato, alongside white rice, or on top of a beautiful bed of pasta. For something so simple, it's amazing how much flavour is packed into such a delicious dish. Absolutely give this one a go.